The entire state of New Jersey under a blizzard warning. It's the first time statewide in 30 years. New Jersey Transit is set to shut down at 6 p.m. Eastern Time.
6 hours of snow so far. I think it's only like
I'd say 3.
3 inches. I just want to say that this is my first time ever building a snowman, and that's a pretty good snowman.
Here's some of our latest photos and videos have been sent in. This one's over in New Jersey. That is a massive snowman. I don't know how long it took you to build that snowman, but you should let me know. Thank you, Matthew, for sending that in. Incredible snowman there.
Good morning, I just woke up. It's still snowing outside. It's supposed to snow until 5 p.m. tonight.
64 miles per hour. Very high numbers.
Oh no. Her patio is filled. We're gonna go outside, check on our snowman. Definitely have to wear layers today because it says it's 3 degrees outside. This is my first time ever dealing with the snow like this. And honestly, I'm quite enjoying a snow day. It's really nice that I don't have like anything else on my mind besides the fact that it's just snowing. All bundled up. We're ready. That's so thick. This is insane. So this is what our snowman looks like now. The buttons and stuff are kind of iced over, but it still looks really good. Apparently we're still gonna get another like 5 inches, and then we have more snow coming, not tomorrow, but the next day. I think there's 5 more on top of that, so. I'm going inside now to get all the people that are plowing waters. They've been plowing since midnight and I feel so bad for them. We just did this car. I am so tired. We just got 9 cars out of the snow. We did our 2, and then we helped our neighbor. She's like single with a baby, so we just did that for her. And then we're also friends with a different neighbor, and he lives by himself and is disabled, so we went and helped him do his. Then 2 other neighbors came out and they started doing it, but they have like that little tiny scraper, and we have the kinds that can go over the whole entire car and get it all off. So we ended up doing 9 cars total. I am literally so tired. We still have to go to Matt's mom's house and his grandparents' house whenever the travel ban is lifted, and we have to get their driveway shoveled too and get their cars out. I'm exhausted. I'm just gonna lay down for a little bit, probably play some Animal Crossing. It's 5:30. The power is still not back on. I checked the website and it said it could be anywhere between 11 p.m. tonight to in 2 days that the power could come back on. I'm hoping it comes on in like 5 minutes. We have this little generator, so we're able to have light. And then we put all of our food outside on our balcony because it's freezing out. Our gas works, we just had to light it with a lighter. And we still have running water. So we're doing good. After we were done shoveling, we came back inside and that's when we lost the power, of course. We ended up getting our power back around 9:30. We're already in bed and like ready to go to sleep. We were very lucky that our power was only out for 8 hours. A lot of people had power outages during the nighttime the day prior, so they lost electricity, weren't able to make food, and I'm very, very grateful that we lost power during the day for us and that we were able to have running water and gas and everything like that. Overall, honestly, this was a fun experience. It was cool seeing like what was happening across the East Coast and how different places were getting different amounts of snow. We got, I believe, around like 20 inches of snow. I think the worst part of Jersey was Freehold area, and I think they got like around 30 inches from what I saw. But I'm very blessed and very thankful that we were able to have a good time during this blizzard experience. We made a 6'5" snowman. But yeah, that was the blizzard of 2026. I'll see you guys next week for the next vlog.